Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Planet Fitness location or how to transfer your membership from Planet Fitness Club to another Planet Fitness Club in another place. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Planet Fitness and then go for the first link, click on it. Now click on memberships, scroll down until you find have more questions. Now, as you can see, how do I transfer my membership to a different Planet Fitness Club? These are the requirements that you need to meet in order to transfer your membership. So you should be not a minor. You have been a Planet Fitness member for at least 90 days. You haven't transferred your membership in the past 90 days. You don't owe any outstanding dues or fees at your current club, have a financial cosigner, or have a third-party membership. And then you have a membership that is billed monthly, not a paid-in full membership. If you meet all these requirements, you go on and press on transfer your membership online. Now you need to sign in to your account, and then you will see the list of all Planet Fitness clubs in the area that you want to transfer to. Then you just select the new club that you want to transfer to, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.